Hello, today we're going to build a paper torch. For this, we would need a coin cell, some copper tape, an LED and some double-sided tape, as well as take the torch print paper that comes in the kit. Firstly, take some crayons or sketch pen and color the prints. After done coloring, we're going to cut out the images with a scissor. After the cutouts are ready, take one of the cutout and make a halfway cut on the button with a utility knife. It has to be done in a way so that the button can open and close. Now take a small piece of copper tape and stick it on the back of the switch of the torch. After it's done, put this cutout aside. Now take the other cutout and flip it. Now take a yellow LED and stick it on the upside of the torch. Make sure you identify the positive and negative terminal of the LED. Now take the copper tape and make the connection as shown in the video. This is the positive terminal of the LED and this is the negative terminal of the LED. You have to keep a gap here. Now take the coin cell and stick the positive side on the copper tape. Now take a long piece of copper tape and attach it to the negative terminal of the LED. Make sure this and this don't touch. We have directly connected the negative side of the battery and the negative terminal of the LED together with this copper tape. Our circuit is working. Now take the former cutout and stick it on top of this one with some double-sided tape. Stick it carefully. Our torch is ready. Let's check the output. I have made the room a bit darker so that we can see the light clearly. Now, let's press on the switch. As you can see, our torch is working. Thanks for watching.